This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your software at once using the terminal. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to Ubuntu here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your software at once using the terminal, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open the terminal. I'm going to press Ctrl Alt and T on my keyboard to open up the terminal. I have the terminal opened up now. There's two commands that you need to run. I will put these commands down in the description. They're very easy though. The first one is sudo apt update. And what this does is it checks your software if there's any updates. I'm going to hit enter. It's asking me for my password. I do have a few updates available. Now the next command that you want to run is sudo apt upgrade. Then hit enter. It'll ask, do you want to continue? I'm going to press Y and hit enter for yes. Y, enter. It is currently updating some of my software now. Depending on how much software that you need to update, it may take a couple minutes. Usually it doesn't take that long. And that is how you update all your software at once using the terminal. Thanks for watching.